Welcome back. We finally have the parts. 200 to 150 reducer to go on that big T, straight into them 90-degree bends. So just going to fit these now, drill holes throughout the ducting, and then we'll put in the fresh batch. Like a glove. Perfect. Oh yeah. Lovely job. So just to increase airflow, I could have put the reducer this end, but just to keep the airflow 200 as much as I can, 90 degrees straight to 150. All the way down the container. And then I'm probably gonna drill holes, I don't know, every metre or something. And I'll alternate them, one going out this way, one of them facing down. Just try and get even airflow of the cages. The ones that are going this way will likely be right near the fan, so it can hit the fan to be sucked down, well, be pushed down through the cage. And then the rest of them are going to be facing down along the side of the cage. Cool. Okay, so that's that end done. It's all solid. It's really stiffened everything up. I've now measured six points where I want the holes. I've got a 50 millimeter drill bit. I'm gonna have 6 holes down either side. That should cover the 200 mil inlet, so there's not extra strain along the motor. If I do find it sounds like it's being bogged down a bit, I can always put another couple of holes in, but I'm pretty sure I've measured it out. This added all together will be the same, like the internal of that 200. That makes sense. So, because I need enough back pressure for it to get to the end of the container, but also I don't want to be restricting the motor to increase wear. So we'll see how it goes anyway. So I'm going to drill these holes now. I'll light the fire, load up the kiln and see how it goes really. I could always I'll go into the computer and I'll turn on the fan of the boiler without it on, and I can see what the pressure is like throughout each hole. I'll do that first actually. Right, we'll get these done. It's pointing roughly 45 degrees. This is pointing pretty much towards the fan, so the fan can catch the air, push it through the cages. This is going straight down the edges of the cages. Hopefully it will go down the bottom and then back up again. This one's going into the fan again. This one is pointing down, and this one is at 45 degrees again. There is method to the madness, I think. We'll just get the other side done and we'll give it a test. Now, let's see if I remember how to do this. Well, I eventually managed to get the test on. So at the moment it's just blowing cold air out. And there is actually quite a bit of blow there actually. I'm still feeling it all the way back here. So we'll see how it goes. I might be able to put, maybe if I get like a 30 mil bit, I can put a few more in between. Yeah, it's still pretty good blow. Yeah. I did think these were going to be too big, but actually they're perfect. I'm debating whether to put one here, well, but as that comes out here, it will favour this hole. I don't really want that, so I'm going to leave it be. I just thought it could push some hot air, but I've got these pointing towards the fan. Yeah, catch that, put it straight out. It's going to be so nice having decent heat at this end of the kiln. Before, it was just coming straight out that hole and it was very hot at that end, and it wouldn't get hot at this end until that had really dried out. So it was a bit uneven, but now that will be kicking out some good heat. Quite a few people are asking how you're getting the moist air out. The fans are very slightly directed this way, So it's blowing it through the container and out these vents. Some people are saying it's not enough, but there is no condensation on the walls at all. I haven't had any droplets in here at all. So I think it's doing just as good job.